I do a lot of paper crafting and scrapbooking, card making, sketching, doodling, and watercolor, and I'm always looking for thin tip black pens. This set has 12 different pens. This one is the thickest nib. You can see it's a chisel tip. And if you know how to do calligraphy, which I have not done calligraphy in quite a while, but if you know how to do calligraphy, you could use that for calligraphy. Then that is the thickest one. The one beside it is a brush tip. And this one you could also do, look at this, you do fancy writing with it as well. Then the smallest one is 0.005, and if you know anything about pens, you know that that is very thin. And look how thin this is. But sometimes when you're drawing or sketching, you need a really thin line, and that would certainly do it. And then we have all the sizes in between. There's 01, 02, 03, 04, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 20, and 30. So this is a really nice set. These are waterproof pens all the way from ultra fine line up to the chisel tip and the brush tip. But these are really nice if you like to sketch or if you do any kind of pen work.